Hi there, students. Belated. Belated is an adjective meaning later than expected. Oh my God, I forgot my wife's birthday. I'm going to be in so much trouble. Well, the first thing to do is to give her a belated birthday present. And then to give her belated birthday greetings. And send her a belated birthday card. So belated, coming later than expected, tardy, late, later than it should be. Yeah. So I'm sorry about my belated reply to your letter, but I have been terribly busy over the last couple of weeks. Okay, so belated, later than expected. You could have the adverb belatedly. So I belatedly wished her many happy returns of the day. Okay, there was a terrible argument and I belatedly tried to rectify the situation by apologizing. I gave a belated apology. Okay, so if something is belated, it's overdue, it's behind schedule. It happens or it comes later than should have been the case. Yeah, if you try to act after the horse has bolted, to shut the stable door after the horse has bolted, you are acting belatedly. You are behindhand. Yeah, you did this too late. Yeah. Okay, so a belated birthday card. Very often people are not recognized until they or their contribution is not recognized until they are no longer making their contribution. Yeah, so they belatedly thanked him for his wonderful contribution to the company. Yeah, so he'd been doing this for ages, and then probably they should have said thank you much earlier. So in a belated attempt to rectify the situation, this is too little too late, a day late and a dollar short. Yeah, so here is a belated birthday present. I think this is a great word to use for presents and birthdays and celebrations, where you see somebody a couple of days after their birthday and you say a happy belated birthday or belated season's greetings. Yeah, it's the 14th of January, so I could say, yeah, belated season's greetings to all of you. Yeah, belated greetings. It's late, it's too late, but well, I'm still doing it. Yeah, it comes after the customary time. Okay, so yeah, it's something that happens just too late. It's later than expected. Okay, it's not at the right time. Let's see, I think maybe in the Ukraine, Europe is acting belatedly. We should have acted immediately the Crimea was seized. And now what we are reacting belatedly, much later than we should have. Okay, formality. What am I going to give this for formality? Belated happy birthday. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think use it absolutely any way you wish. So that's a good one. And then as to origin, well, it comes from the word late. It actually comes from the verb to belate. Yeah, which is to impede, to delay. Yeah, from late itself, which comes from Old English light, slow or late, from Proto-Germanic lates, slow or lazy. Okay, so belated, later than it should have been, after the appropriate time. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Belated.